Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to do the Geekbench 6.5 performance test on Ubuntu Novel Numbat. So I have installed the Ubuntu Novel Numbat system on my laptop, and we are going to perform the Geekbench test 6.5. And I have already given the permissions to the Geekbench executable that are downloaded in my downloads folder. And we are going to start the test on the Liquorix kernel that I have installed. So I installed the Liquorix PPA that is available in the Ubuntu repositories, and we are going to do the test. So let us start with the test. And after this test, the second test will be on the HWE kernel that is available in the Ubuntu repositories. So let us first do the test on the Liquorix kernel. Here you can see the kernel is 6.17.11-1 Liquorix AMD 64, and these are the system information regarding the model of my laptop, motherboard, BIOS, and the CPU information. Now the single core test has started, and we wait for the test to complete, and then we will check out the scores on the Geekbench website. Now the multi-core test have started. Now the test is complete and you will soon get a link to check out our scores. So now we will open this link. Okay, so the single core test scores are 1334 and the multi-core scores are 4227. I think this is the highest score of multi-core we have seen in all the Linux distribution that you have tested. That is, you have tested CashOS, we have tested Debian, Linux Mint, OpenSUSE also we have tested. I think this is the highest score, or maybe one score was 4300. I will have to check all the older videos. You can check that, and I think this is the first highest or the second highest score. Very good scores we have got from the Ubuntu Noble Numbat system for the Geekbench 6.5 test, and the individual scores for each of the tests are given below. You can see here the scores are coming up for single core performance. Now the multi-core performance scores are coming up on screen. So what you can do is you can check out the older videos that are released on our channel, and then you can compare the scores. Then you will understand how the different derivatives of Linux distribution, that is Debian is the mother Linux distribution, Ubuntu is the derivative of Debian, and Linux Mint is derivative of Ubuntu, which is itself a derivative of Debian. So how the performance will differ when you use a derivative of a Linux distribution. Plus, we have tested the CashOS also using the different scheduler, how the schedulers affect the system performance. And after this video, you can watch the OpenSUSE also. It will come up for release, and then you can compare with OpenSUSE also. And finally, we will have EndeavourOS Geekbench test course also available. It will be released on our channel, and then you can watch all these major Linux distribution, top 10 Linux distributions and their scores. And I think Zorin OS will also come up, so you can test that also if you want. And so you check it out for yourself, and then you can choose the system of your choice. So if you want to play games, I think for games Debian and OpenSUSE will be the best. I think they have got the best results. If you want multimedia, I think for multimedia, Ubuntu or Linux Mint will be best. EndeavourOS is good for everything. Zorin OS is for office work. It is not that good as compared to Linux Mint or Debian or even EndeavourOS. I think it is a step downwards. Linux Mint is a very good all-rounder. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will check out the HW kernel performance scores in the Ubuntu Noble Numbat. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.